One video, three platforms. How smart brands repurpose videos. Let's be honest, creating a video content feels like a full-time job these days, doesn't it? You record something for YouTube, then scramble to make something different for Instagram, then try to figure out what works on LinkedIn. And before you know it, you are stuck in this never-ending content loop, and suddenly, instead of building your brand, you are just building a wall. I know the feeling. But here is the thing, you don't need more content, you just need to use the content you have more wisely. And that's what we are talking about today. How you can take one good video and turn it into a content for three platforms without burning out or feeling overwhelmed. Hi, I am Mehul Brahmabhat, CEO and founder of Matrix Bricks. We help brands grow their digital presence with strategies that are smart, lean, and effective. And today I am going to show you how to do more with less when it comes to video. Why this approach works? Before we dive into how to repurpose video, let's understand why it works so well. Here are few big reasons. Save time. You don't need to keep reinventing the wheel. One should multi-purpose post. Stays consistent. Your brand messaging becomes stronger and clearer across platforms. Reaches more people, different audiences live on different platforms. Repurposing helps you meet them where they are. Give better ROI. You are squeezing more value from your time, your team, and your budget. So instead of spending 10 hours creating 10 separate pieces, you spend 2 hours creating one strong video and let that video work everywhere. Step by step, how to repurpose one video for 3 platforms. Now let's you get into the actual process. It's easier than you might think. Here is how you can turn one video into content for Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Step 1. Create one strong core video. This is the foundation it could be. A short explainer, a mini training, a product breakdown, a customer story, anything that has a clear, valuable messaging. Try to keep it between 4 to 8 minutes and make sure the message is focused. Don't worry about being fancy. What matters is clarity and value. You don't need a fancy studio, just a quiet space, good lighting, and steady frame. Step 2. Cut for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. This is where short form magic happens. These two platforms love quick, snappy videos. Take your main video and find moments where you say something helpful, you answer a common question, or you share relatable tip. Keep each clip between 15 to 60 seconds. For Reels, add subtitles. Most people scroll without sound. Use light background music. Try to grab attention in first 3 seconds. For YouTube Shorts, use vertical format. Title the video like a question or a quick promise. Struggling with content fatigue? Use short, clear description. And here is something I'll tell every client. You don't need 10 new ideas. You need one good idea shared in 10 ways. Adapt for LinkedIn. LinkedIn is where you want to go deeper or share takeaways. Pick a clip from your main video that has a key insight or lesson, something that would help other professionals or business owners. Then write a caption that explains the clip in a simple way. You can talk about what inspired it, what the key takeaway is, or even ask a question to get comments. LinkedIn doesn't need to be a super polish. It just needs to feel real and useful. Post full or edited version on YouTube. Now that you have used small pieces everywhere else, your full-length content belongs here. This could be your original 4 to 8 minutes version or an edited version with cleaner transition and pacing. What's important is strong title that's clear and searchable, thumbnail that draws attention, and opening line that hooks people in the first few seconds, because the viewers decides in the first 10 seconds whether to stay or bounce. YouTube is your long form home base. It's where you tell the full story and build trust. Now here is something I always tell my team. Don't try to say everything in one post. Just say one thing really well and say it in a different ways. That's the secret to smart repurposing. Quick summary. Let's do a quick recap. Make one valuable video, pull short clips for Instagram, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Share a thoughtful snippet with a caption on a LinkedIn. Post the full video on YouTube for a long form audience. You don't need to create more, you just need to stretch your content smarter. Now, I had like to hear from you. What's one video you have already made that you can reuse across platforms? Comment below, I'd be happy to help you break it down. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. I will see you in my next one.